Hi, welcome dear students to fifth video of chapter 4. Today I'm going to explain about phishing, hacking and spamming. Previous class I explained about the computer ethics, plagiarism, cyberbullying. Let us now discuss what phishing. So, what is phishing? Phishing is an act of sending emails to a user, misleading him to believe that the source of the email is trusted one. For example, you get a message from unauthorized sources that update your bank account. This is the message from your bank and update your bank account. You know, so this method works on asking or leading the user to logging into the fake online banking site or some other site where the user has to update login credential. Understood? And how to es- prevent phishing? How to prevent phishing? What measures should we take to avoid phishing? First of all, you identify the phishing emails. They usually come from the unrecognized senders. You know, so never click on the links or download files or open attachment in email from the unknown sources. That's true. Next, never click on the link in email that asks for your personal details, and don't trust on the unsecured website like http. So only try to use https website, secured website which start from the https. Okay, also make sure to check the online accounts and bank statement regularly to ensure no unauthorized transaction have been made. I hope you understood how to prevent phishing. Next, hacking. What is hacking? Hacking means unauthorized intrusion into a computer or a network. So a hacker may alter a computer system or security feature to accomplish a goal. So always keep your password secret and keep changing them at a regular interval of time. Also regularly update the operating systems and other antivirus software, and never store your credit card information on the website, and you must uh, make sure that you check permissions and authenticity on the app before installing them. You know, when you're going to download any going to download the app, you must ensure you are going to authorization, you are check permission and authenticity on the app before installing. Understood? This is very important. uh, Also try to avoid the Wi-Fi as it is easier for hacker to steal your personal information. I hope you understood how to prevent hacking. Next one is spamming. Spams are the unwanted emails that are sent constantly to various mailing lists, individuals, and group. So how do you know this is the spam? So generally you see messages that don't have your email address in the to or CC field. Understood? Messages that don't have your email address in the to or CC fields. And also some spams may contain bad languages or links to the website with inappropriate content. Just you can see when you go to your Gmail account, you will see the email spams folder, and you can check there the spam email. Now, steps to prevent spamming. First of all, install a spam filtering blocking software on your computer system. Next, keep updating your software and security patches regularly so that your software and antivirus, if you are using, so it must be updated. Never click on the URL links on the messenger website or app unless you know the sender. Okay, if you suspect that the email is a spam, move it to the spam folder and don't respond it to, just delete it. Hope this way you can prevent spamming. Thanks for watching.